Hey everyone, it's Sean here from thedifferentdesign.com, here to teach you the tools architects use and when to use them. Did you know you can use Autodesk Forma to run database site analysis on any 3D model to assess the environmental effects of your design? It doesn't matter if you're using Revit, Rhino, Blender, or SketchUp, you can easily bring your 3D models into Forma for analysis. First, let's create a new proposal in Forma to serve as the basis for our external model import. Start by navigating to your library in Forma and click the import icon. You'll be prompted to import a file such as an OBJ, IFC, or DXF. I'll be using a model I prepared earlier in Rhino, but you can use any software you like for your export. This is a scaled down model of the CCTV building in Beijing by OMA. I'm going to export it as an OBJ and bring it into Forma. Click on the window in Forma and navigate to the location of the file. You will get a preview window of the model. Make sure you are importing with the correct units. Once the file is imported, it will appear in our library. Hit save and close. Click once on the CCTV model icon and you'll now be able to drop it into your proposal. Click to place it on site. You can then rotate and move it into place. Now that your model is inside Forma, it's easy to run any analysis on it. For example, let's try a sun hours analysis. I'm going to hit Run Analysis. And you can see my results on screen. There are many other types of analysis you can run on your imported geometry in Forma. Let's take a look at some of the ones I recommend using. The Daylight Potential Analysis tool, which tells you how much light reaches the facade from the sky as a percentage score. The Solar Energy Analysis tool, which measures which areas of your building have the most exposure to solar radiation and allows you to evaluate the potential of generating electricity using solar panels on your building's roof and facade. The Wind Analysis tool, which helps you avoid wind tunnels, excessive downdraft, or poor pedestrian walking conditions across your site. And the Area Metric Analysis tool, which makes it easy to pull quick area metric data from our design proposals to inform our decision making. On thedifferentdesign.com, we have videos showing how to set up each of these analysis tools in greater detail, available free to anyone with a free account on our website. So to access these, just head over to thedifferentdesign.com and create a free account today.